peas with pumpkin rice. You know, people normally make stew peas with white rice, but guys, I personally don't like plain white rice. So when I'm making my stew peas, I normally use pumpkin rice, right? So I have the pumpkin here already cut and ready to go. We have with peas soaking from overnight. We have with natural coconut, right? So we are going to juice that afterwards. And we have our chicken foot and the chicken neck. We also have over there on the stove the pigtail of one soak off. So I think we have everything we need right here. As we go along, we're going to add the seasoning and all of that. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, comment down below and let us know what recipes you'd like us to make, and comment down below if you love stew peas. And when you know I'm making stew peas, comment down below and let me know what you add to it, because some people add beef and all of those lovely stuff, but I prefer to just keep it simple. Use my chicken neck, my chicken foot and my pigtail along with my peas, right? So let's get this show on the road, guys. We have the coconut milk right here to make our pumpkin rice, and the pigtail of one scala. So me just go slice up this pumpkin. Guys, you see how see that pumpkin here? Wanna see that pumpkin here, rich? So I'm gonna make one nice pumpkin rice. So this is a very rich pumpkin, so it's gonna make a nice pumpkin rice. Rice I gonna just pretty boy pumpkin yellow. Doesn't matter the size you cut the pumpkin, you just want to make sure, say, when you boil the pumpkin, it's soft. Because if you watch my previous videos, you know that I prefer to squash or to mash the pumpkin out in my pumpkin rice, but you can do it however you like it. That's just how I prefer to make my pumpkin rice. Okay. And I like to remove this part as well. For some reason I just don't like it. So for the chicken neck now, I'm going to remove these fat. And then cut it into two. And that's it. So that's what we're going to do, guys. going to season, add some thyme and some scallion or green onions. Garlic, add the beans. And milk. So seeing that we already soaked the beans from overnight, I'm just going to go ahead and add bean. Just give it about 40 seconds and then I'm going to start. Next, to make the pumpkin rice, we have here our natural coconut milk. We also add some thyme. I'm going to also add a piece of garlic and some scallion or green onion. I'm also going to add the pumpkin. Both of them going to cook until they're soft. Guys, you can see that oil. That's the coconut oil. When you boil the coconut, it produces that oil on top. Alright, so the pumpkin then cook. As you can see, pumpkin cook. And as we said before, guys, this pumpkin would produce a, pretty rice. So we love to squash our pumpkin. So when you boil the coconut, you want to ensure that it produces that oil on the top. Alright, so I'm going to add the rice. I'm also going to add a piece of butter. Also going to add a scotch bonnet pepper. Cover the pot and allow it to steam until the rice is fork tender. Ready to make the spinach to go in. Alright guys, so that's a one simmer down. So we are gonna add the spinach, but before we add the spinach, we are gonna just add some Maggi cock soup mixed with pumpkin. If you have the Maggi all-purpose season, you could go ahead and add the Maggi all-purpose season, but I just wanted to go ahead and give it an extra flavor. is stew peas without spinach. I'm going to add a scotch bonnet pepper. Alright guys, so this is our pumpkin rice. It's very pretty, guys. You see that pumpkin creates this vibrant yellow color into our rice, right? Looking very lovely. Just I go and simmer down a little bit more so the rice can be, well dry. So I want a nice dry shelly rice. Okay guys, so yes, stew peas done cook. Look at the sauce with spinach. Yeah, with chicken neck, chicken foot, with pigtail. And the rice almost finished, so it's about that time, guys, to plate and get into things so we can enjoy the stew peas with pumpkin rice. Guys, comment down below and let me know if you guys ever had a stew peas with pumpkin rice or just regular plain rice on the use. Comment and let me know what I want. Alright guys, so don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below. Let's interact in the comment section, guys. So no comment, man, I make we know what I want. Make you hear, We're not too silent now, man. Let we hear your voices, guys. And subscribe now if you want to watch the content and enjoy. Just subscribe. It's just a click away, right? Subscribe so you can get more authentic Jamaican style recipes, from punches to natural juice, real authentic Jamaican food. We have breakfast recipes, easy to go snack and so forth. And this is our plate, well colorful, with the lettuce and with tomato and some pumpkin rice and our stew peas with cucumber. Guys, this plate well balanced. And this isn't about balanced diet, right? So you have your vegetables, your protein, yes, all of that, meat, all of them some there. Guys, I hope you enjoy the recipe, and if you do, just hit that thumbs up button. Want to check out more of our videos? You can check these out. And we also served with some guava and June plum. I'll put a link in the top right corner where you guys can check out this recipe on how we make this refreshing drink. Tastes good, guys, especially the guava way night. It a shot. Enjoy.